gangs are a major threat to our national security. When you consider it, that a gang come with canisters of petrol and deliberately walk from house to house and throw the accelerant on the house and light it afire with children inside, it is not something that the state should tolerate in any way. To consider it a crime would be to treat it as ordinary. What this is an act of terror. And the people who have committed it are terrorists.
Yes. Yes.
And they should be treated as such.
Yes.
I have a message for them. We're going to treat this one specially. And the people who committed the crime were seen. And I'm going to be personally on it to ensure that every last one of them is found and dealt with